Dear students, let's continue with exercise 4.3. Solve the following equation. In last video, you have seen question number 1 and where we have solved some equations. Now here we will come across a next type of questions. Let's start, students. Our question is 3 into in bracket n minus 5, which gives you this is equals to 21. Now here you can apply a step like this. Either you can open this bracket by multiplying with 3 or you can transpose 3. So I felt it easy to transpose 3. So what I am doing, 3 into this whole bracket. So 3 will be transposed to RHS. So it will become divided by. So n minus 5 equals to 21 divided by 3. So what you got? What is your next step? N minus 5 equals to, so 21 divided by 3, the answer is 7. Now 5 will be transposed to that side. Minus 5, when it will go that side, it will become plus 5. So n equals to 7 plus 5. So what you got? N equals to 12. So this is your solution. N equals to 12. Students, write down this in your book. Students, let's go with next question. It is given that 2 in bracket x plus 4 equals to 12. Now what you will do? You will transpose 2 to that side. So it will go for division. So x plus 4 equals to 12 divided by 2. So x plus 4 equals to, so 12 divided by 2 means 6. Now 4 will be transposed to that side. So it will become x is equals to 6 minus 4. So value for x is 2. So students, you can copy this in your book. Okay students, let's go with next slide. So dear students, let's go with question number 3, B bit. The question is minus 4 equals to 5 p minus 2. Now if you will observe, 5 we can't transpose because 4 and 5 is not divisible. So what you will do? You will open bracket. So minus 4 equals to, for opening the bracket, multiply each term in the bracket by 5. So 5 into p. 5 is having plus sign, so plus minus minus 5 into 2. So minus 4 equals to 5p minus 10. Now you will transpose minus 10 to LHS. So you will get minus 4 plus 10 equals to 5p. So when you will solve, you will get minus plus minus. So 10 minus 4, 6. But 10 is greater, so plus 6. So no need to mention the sign. Equals to 5p. Therefore, so now here I am writing, as I am doing 2-3 steps at a time. So because 5p I am transposing that side, 6 that side, and then dividing. So therefore the value for p is 6 divided by 5. Or I will do one thing, I will just go with the same. Undo करते हैं. So students, you will get 5 will be transposed this side. So what you will get? 6 divided by 5 equals to p. So next step you are adding here. Therefore, p equals to 6 divided by 5 is your solution. Students, you can copy this in your book. Let's go with next question. Students, let's go with one more question. Your question is 16 equals 16 equals to 4 plus 3 into L plus 2. So now what you will do? Okay, it is t plus 2. So now what you will do? This is your solution. 16 will be as it is, 4 will be as it is, and now we will open the bracket. As it is having plus sign, so sign will not change. 3 into t, 3t plus 3 into 2, 6. One mistake. So here is equal sign. Okay, so now what you will do? 16 equals to 4 plus 6, 10. So 10 plus 3t. Now 10 you will transpose this side. LHS, so it will be 16 minus 10. 10 is having no sign, means plus. So we know the rule. In last video we have seen 3t. Now 16 minus 10, 6. 6 equals to 3t. So 6 divided by 3 equals to t. So next step I am writing here. I will draw a line here and then we will write down a next step here. So what you will get? 2 equals to t. Therefore, t equals to 2. So this is your required solution. Students, you can copy this in your book. Students, let's go with next question. 0 equals to 16 plus 4 m minus 6. So 0 I kept here like this only. 16 will be as it is. Now open the bracket with this with the help of 4. Now 4 is having plus sign, so sign will not change. So plus 4 into m, 4m, plus minus. Now which plus I am talking about? I am talking about the sign with 4. So plus minus minus, 6 4s are 24. So let me write down 4 into 6. So 0 equals to 16 plus 4m minus 6 4s are 24. So it is 24. So minus 24 plus 16. So answer will be 24 minus 16. So students, what will be the answer? 24 minus 16. Yes, 8. So 0 equals to 8 plus 4m. Now you can transpose 8 towards LHS, so it will become minus 8. Minus 8 equals to 4m. So minus 8, now 4 will be transposed, so it will be in division form. So minus 8 divided by 4 equals to m. So rest over sums, let me write down on this side. So minus 2 equals to m. When you will divide minus 8 divided by 4, so you will get minus 2. So therefore solution is m equals to minus 2. So students, copy this in your book. Yes, students, our next concept is from solution to equation. Now we are going in reverse order. Till now what we have done? We have solved an equation and then we come to the conclusion, the value for the variable. Now just right now we have solved t. T equals to what we got? Minus 2. And then in previous question we got value of p as something, x is as 2. Yes, so these things we have got. Now here we are going in reverse order. Solution is given and then we are going to equation. So let's see what we can do. So students, from textbook it is question number 4. So question number 4, I am taking B bit. Which bit I am taking? B bit. So I am taking B bit. So what is the question? X equals to minus 2. Now this is your solution. Now you have to go form an equation. And how many equations you have to form? 3 equations. Now for forming 3 equations, we know whatever we are doing to LHS, same thing have to go for RHS. So what we will do? So let me go with first question with a statement form. So it is your wish, whatever you want to do. Whatever, either you want to go for multiplication, division, addition or subtraction. So here I am going with multiply. So what I am doing? Multiply so for only for first question I am writing a statement, rest of the things we will just write on equation. Multiply both the sides by 3. You can take any number. So what I will get? 3x equals to minus 2 into 3. So let me write on this step, minus 2 into 3. So what I am getting? 3x equals to minus 6. So this is my equation. This is my first equation. Like this, how many equations we have to form? 3 equations. Okay. You can write on this in your book. Okay. Let's go with next 2 equations. Let me just, right now we have done this, so let me rub this also. So what we got? 3x minus 6. So this was your first question. Now for equals to sign is left. Equals to. Now you can add 4 to both the sides. So your next equation will be 3x plus 4 equals to minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4. So what you got? 3x plus 4 equals to minus 2. Now this is your second equation. Now your third equation can be okay, third equation you can write down it as divide both the sides by 5. So it will be 3x plus 4 divided by 5 equals to minus 2 divided by 5. This can be your third equation. So students, in this way you can form your 3 equations. You can copy this in your book. Let's go with next question. Let me erase everything. We will take our own example. Suppose you will take x as 10. Okay. So what will be a solution? We will do it fast little bit. So multiply both the sides by, or you can add also. It is better we will go with multiplication. So it will be, take any number. Okay, we will take 7. So multiply both the sides by 7. So it will be 7x equals to 70. Now this is your first equation. Now what you will do? You will subtract 2 from both the sides. So it will be 7x minus 2 equals to 78 minus 2. It will be 68. So 68. This is your second equation. You can, for this also you can multiply both the sides by 2. Okay, so it will be 2. 7x minus 2 equals to 68 into 2. So it will be 2. 7x minus 2 equals to 8 2s are 16, 6 carry 1, 6 2s are 12, 13. So 136. So this is your third equation. Students, copy this in your book. So in this way you can form 3 equations. So students, now based on this video you may get a worksheet and solve those worksheets within 2 days and submit it on my mail. Okay. For today, bye students.